It's one of the worst. No. I mean, your defense is one of the worst in the top 6. And bro, Deji, I mean, just before you flap your gums, just remember that you're not in top 4. Because, and again, I don't want to say that man who are not in top 4 can chat to me. But, you know, I just have respect for Northside. I don't want to go into that. Because, bro, you're not in top 4. Hope you know that, bro. Bro, you're not in top 4. You're in top 5, bro. You're not in top 4, bro. Look at your position in the, bro. See, do you know what? Yeah, Deji, you could see real quick. Yeah, you could actually drop to 11th in that, bro. On Sunday, technically, you could drop. No, Deji, check it out. Not pull up the table. Check it yourself. See, Tottenham Hotspurs, bro. See, bro, that draw you're talking about might just be the thing you need. Because, bro, if you don't win on Sunday, bro, if you don't win or get a draw on Sunday, literally you could be 11th or 12th in the table on Sunday by the end of that game.
Have you got 4 eyes, bro? Have you got 4 eyes?
No, bro, I'm telling you, bro. No, bro, bro, this is pure fact. We have up to 4 or 5 teams in that 18, bro. If you go and lose, Man United wins, Aston Villa wins, bro, you're in trouble, bro. If Bournemouth wins, you're in trouble, bro. They literally gazump you on the table, bro.
4 eyes, bro.
If I lose to you, I would just be 1 point ahead of Man City. I'm not dropping my first position, but literally you could go to 12th or 13th, bro. If other teams win.
Tottenham has the 4th best defense in the league, and this Budgie Banton smoker wants to.
So he's not lying, you know, Dej. He's actually not lying, Dej.
At what?
You could drop down to 11th, bro. You could drop down to 10th, 11th, bro. Do you know what I'm saying? Bro, depending on the other teams and what they do, bro. Do you know what I mean?
Can I also give you another possibility?
Bro, you're equal on points with Man United. You dust Man
United. Can I give you another possibility? We could drop as far as 11th, or we could go as high as 2nd.
Yeah, but you don't believe that you can win the game. So what are you talking about? You predicted.
No, but you don't believe you can win the game.
Deji, don't do that now. You predicted a draw. Don't do that now, bro. Guys, if you believe that you could, why didn't you predict a win?
I think it's been a minute since we streamed, so we're not on the same.
You predicted a draw, and now you're saying you could win. Then why didn't you?
We're not on the same frequency tonight, and it could just be because the adrenaline's rushing, the adrenaline's getting to your head, the adrenaline's getting to Tony to his eyeballs. And the adrenaline's getting to me, bro. What I'm saying to you is, based on the players that Tottenham have available, if you, man, don't get the win, you would be the bummiest team I've ever seen in my life. And that's a legit statement. I'm not saying that Tottenham ain't gonna... I'm saying we're gonna draw. And that you would be a disgrace.
Bro, let me just say this, Deji, yeah? It can't be, because you've only seen 2 trophies in your lifetime supporting Spurs. Bro. This dead process has had 1 trophy. It's 1 trophy away.
When was the last time you tasted the trophy?
Let me land what I'm saying. This process, yeah, even though I don't believe in it and it's dusty, like you said, is 1 trophy away from equaling the amount of trophies you've seen as a Spurs fan in your whole life. And we want this guy out.
What process?
This process under Arteta is 1 trophy away from matching how many trophies you've seen as a Tottenham fan your whole life.
Can I just say something?
And you're about 45, bro.
Can I say something?
Come on,
bro. Don't do ditch like that, bro. Don't do ditch like that, bro.
Can I just say something? When was the last time?
When was
the last time you tasted?
Bro,
silver?
That's below the belt, bro. Bad one, bro.
When was the last time you tasted silver?
It's the North London derby, bro.
No, but when did you last taste silver, bro? When did you last taste silver?
5 years ago.
Yeah, full back. I tasted silver a couple months ago.
Full back.
Before you won, no. You have to give Deji that one though.
Deji, before you won the Europa, when was your last trophy?
Bro, let's not do that.
Go back, bro. When you was growing up, yeah. When you was growing up,
can I be real?
No, hold on. When you was growing up, yeah. When you was growing up,
I'm gonna have to get, bro. I'm gonna have to say a few things that are.
Who was going for league title? Was it your club? Was your club in the conversation?
Things that are inappropriate.
Was your club in the How many league titles have you seen your club lift, Deji?
Oh, you know you're only.
No.
Bro, you know you're only.
How many league titles? How many league titles have you seen your club lift?
Can I be real?
Can you answer me that, please?
There are some English sayings that we have to kind of lead by. I know you're Portuguese, but we're gonna have to do the English. I don't understand the language.
Deji. Deji, you don't have to go that route, bro.
No. We're going there. No, we're going there. This is North London Derby week. You're only as good as your last game. Have you heard that saying before? You're only as good as your last game.
What do you mean you're only as good as your last game?
No. I don't agree with that.
Have you ever heard that? People say you're only as good as your last game, so don't shake your bum.
Deji. No, Deji, we're not doing that. Deji, legitimately, you lose at the Stadium of Light.
Listen.
Legitimately, you lose at the Stadium of Light. And again, I'm sick and tired of rivals doing this, yeah. I mean, not only you, Deji Sports, yeah. I mean, other rivals have been talking tough on this thing, yeah. I mean, bro, if you go to the Stadium of Light, Sunderland is a well-drilled team, bro.
Okay.
They're a well-drilled team. They're in top 4. They're higher than you, bro, this season. If you go to the Stadium of Light, you're going to get smacked up, Deji. So you better be careful of that smack talk. Because when you go to the stadium, bro, you will go to the stadium. Bro, when are you playing Sunderland, bro? No. When are you going to Sunderland, bro? No, I'm not having that. When are you going to Sunderland, bro?
Do you know where Sunderland is?
No, I'm just asking you. When do you go to Sunderland, bro?
You know where it is, though.
Bro. When I was in the UK, I never went to all those lands, bro. So I'm just asking you. When do you go to Sunderland, bro?
Is Sunderland north or south?
I don't know. I just told you I don't know, bro. I have no business around there, bro. Bro, I don't know.
You don't know where this
It doesn't concern me. I never had anything to do with Sunderland. I never had anything to do with that area, so why should I be there? Everything I did in the UK was in London, so why should I know that?
Now hold on, Tony, ask him. Does he know where Bodo Glimt is? Because they were beating him at half time. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, exactly. How about Bodo Glimt? Do you know the place? Do you know? Have you ever been there before?
Do you know where Wolves is?
I want to answer legit.
Do you know where Wolves is? Do you know where Wolves is, Deji? Do you know where Wolves is?
I mean, see people, they keep smoking that bush, bro.
Okay, Tony and North. Let's put the banter aside. I know this week we won't like each other, and that's totally fine. I don't like you both. Just know that. Next week, Monday or Tuesday, when we stream again, we can be blessed. But for this week, you know, it's full on war. It's war right now.
It's warfare.
I need to know from you. Banter aside, let's have some standards. Which trophy is better, the Europa League or the FA Cup? I don't want you to explain. I just want you to say which one is better. That's it. I don't need your little long essays. I don't need this.
Why are you deflecting, bro?
I just need you, man, to answer.
No, he's deflecting, bro. He's deflecting, bro.
FA Cup or Europa League.
But again, no. But not sad. Let's be honest, bro. I'll take a Europa League before FA Cup. Yeah, sure. Because it gives you that Champions League qualification, innit? FA Cup gives you qualification to Conference League or whatever. You know, I don't know.
Do you know what?
What competition does it take? To Europa League, sorry.
I ain't gonna banter no more.
FA Cup takes you to the Europa League, right?
It had something to do with this game, yeah. Surely you would have predicted a win. Because remember, you won the Europa.
So where I was going, and I want to thank Tony, because sometimes it's very easy on this platform to go against your free will. And it's also very easy to lie. The fact that Tony was able to say confidently and with chest that the Europa League's better than the FA Cup leads me back to the point I was trying to make before, which is that you're only as good as your last trophy. The last trophy you won was an FA Cup 5 years ago. I don't remember 5 years ago. And I won the Europa League literally a couple months ago. So I just want you both to hold that. And let's just accept Tottenham has done better.
Bro.
Tottenham
This guy's shameless,
better
bro.
than Arsenal.
Deji, shameless people, yeah. People in the chat. Man is shameless, bro. This man is shameless, bro.
We've done better than Arsenal in the last 5 years, is it not?
Oh my days, bro.
Is it not? I'm just
Northside, that's a big one. Northside, that's a big one because we're all talking about trophies, isn't it?
You should be winning this game then. You should be winning this game. You're talking about trophies. The trophy what you won is one conversation. We're talking about the North London derby, and you're talking about what you did under Ange, the manager. You no longer have.
Politely, I feel like you're unstructured this evening.
No. Bro, no.
We're gonna get to we're going there.
He's trying to reconstruct the
whole conversation. We're going there.
No one ain't said.
Can we just accept?
No, but nobody ain't said.
I just want to get that bit out of the way, and then we'll deal with it now.
You predict? No. Let's keep it on topic because yes, you won the Europa, and I would love to win the Europa. Yeah, nobody ain't denied that. But if you're as good as your last trophy, surely. You said out your own mouth. Hold on, let me land my point. You just
let him land. Let him land.
Your own mouth. You just said you're only as good as your last trophy, and you just said that you've had the last 5 years of Spurs because you won a Europa. You're better than Arsenal, so you should be going into this North London derby with chest. You should be predicting that you're going to win. You should be the team that's going to be blitzing Arsenal away. There.
Okay, hold on. I'm going to answer that question. But because you've gone too far forward, this is why I said
it's not too far forward, bro. It's your word.
Can you just confirm who's done better in the last 5 years? Then I'll answer your question.
Yes, you've won the better trophy. Yes.
So just say it, please.
Oh my days, bro. No, not side stand-up business, bro. You know what? Bro, he's gonna clip you, bro. You know, he's got clippers around, bro. He's gonna clip you. Don't do that, bro. No, but don't do that, bro. He's gonna clip you, bro. He's gonna clip you, bro. Don't do it, bro.
I can't.
He's trying to do. Yeah? He knows. What Deji's trying to do is he's trying to talk about the trophies because he don't want to talk about what's gonna happen on Sunday in the North London derby because he knows
exactly. He's deflecting. Typical Deji sport.
He's deflecting.
This
conversation ain't about who's won.
Deflecting. I'm going there, bro.
We are talking about but we're not talking about that.
I'm gonna go
there.
We're
not talking about that. We're not talking about that. First of all, it's a different manager. Second of all, Second of all. No. Second of all, we're talking about a North London derby. We ain't talking about trophies, bro. You're trying to go on the trophy talk,
bro. You know what
you want to have something to be like, yeah, well, we won Europa. You ain't won Europa. It's not about.
Let me tell you something. When people do a movie or when people write a book, they call it's an arc. Yeah, you got the beginning, you got the middle, and you got the end. Right now, we're dealing with the middle. We had the little thing at the beginning, and then we're gonna go to the end, where we deal with this weekend. I just need to hear from you so I can move from the middle point to the end point. I need to hear from you who's been the better team in the last 5 years. I just need to hear that answer. Once you've done that, then we'll get to this weekend. Can you do that, please? Northside and Tony, please.
No, since you're moving narratives and you're
come on, man.
We're not talking about Europa. We're talking about North London derby. So let's talk about North London derby.
I can't believe this.
I know you're trying it. You're trying it. You're trying it.
Please. Who's going to win? On a level, as a look. As a bedroom,
on Sunday.
As a bedroom, I just need you to answer this one question, bro.
This guy. Who's winning on Sunday?
Answer it, then we move on.
Who's winning on Sunday? Am I speaking Japanese? Who's winning on Sunday, bro?
Answer my question first.
I'm
trying to give a journey.
No. Did you see the title, Ditch? You're trying to change
a journey.
It's called North London derby.
I'm going to answer that question happily.
Yeah, but you didn't win the... Bro.
You just need to confirm who's been the better team last 5 years. That's all you got to do.
No, you need to confirm to me.
All you got to do,
it doesn't matter. You won the Europa. You won the Europa. Are you going to win on Sunday?
In the last 5 years,
are you going to win on Sunday, though?
In the last 5 years, who's been better? I'm happy to answer your
You
question.
won
Bro.
the Europa, we won the FA Cup.
So what does that mean?
In terms of no, hold on. No, I'll answer your question. Now you answer my question. How many prem? No, hold on. How many hold on, because you want to. So hold on. Let answer my question. You want to stop it to the last 5 years. You ain't been alive for 5 years. Yeah. How many trophies?
Northside wants to be shameless now, bro.
How many prems have you? How many prems have you won? How many no, you want to talk about trophies. How many league titles have you won? How many FA Cups you won?
Exactly, bro.
How many trophies have you won, bro?
But you caused this, Deji. How many have you won? Answer. No, Deji, answer the question.
Answer the question.
He asked you a question. Answer
you
it.
like people to answer the question. Who's been the most successful?
Can I answer the question?
No, hold on. Who has been the most successful club in terms of trophies? You love trophies. Arsenal or Spurs? Answer the question.
So I'm gonna answer the question for you. I can tell that you are rattled. And I can tell because
well, we're gonna pause.